Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Lenovo ThinkPad E16. This will be the Gen 2 Intel version. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your battery. So first thing, power down your computer through the start menu, make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access the bottom case screws. This video is laid out like an owner manual or an instruction manual, and I'll guide you through the process of accessing your components. There are 7 captive screws in this bottom case. Captive screws means that you'll unscrew them fully, but they won't actually come out of the case. The case may rise up a little in the corners, but the screws themselves will stay in, so don't worry if the screws are not coming out. After unscrewing all 7 screws, you're going to take a small, flat, plastic pry tool and insert it at the seam of the bottom case in the computer near one of the back 2 corners. After lifting it up slightly from one of those 2 corners, you'll be able to proceed down here with another pry tool and get this section off and then start unclipping the rest of the bottom case. Once you do, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any assistance with tools or supplies for your computer project, as well as any replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model computer, the E16, there will be a link above, also below in the description, and it will be a list of all the tools and supplies that I use, as well as all those replacement and upgrade parts for this model computer. This is your battery right down here. This is a 57 watt hour battery, 11.31 volts, and the part number from Lenovo is L23B3PG2. I will have all that information below in the description if you need help searching for a replacement. But again, I will have a replacement battery option in that link below I told you about with all the replacement and upgrade parts for this model computer. It's held down by these 3 screws near the red arrows, and it plugs into the motherboard here near the green arrow. To unplug it, you would simply pull it to the left out of that motherboard port. Keep in mind with any wires or cables in a computer, try to apply pressure to the wires as little as possible. Try just to grip the plug in the port. You don't want to pull the wires right out of the plug or damage it. If you're here because your computer is not turning on, it could be a bad battery, you may need to replace it, but it also could be something else. Keep in mind that a laptop should still turn on and work even with a bad battery as long as the charger's plugged in. So if your computer's not turning on at all, there most likely is another issue than just a bad battery. I will have a video tutorial link above, also below in the description, and it will be the troubleshooting process I use in my computer shop when the laptop's not turning on so I can find the cause and fix it. While you're in the computer, if you would like some more information on upgrading your RAM or maybe your storage, check out the next video. It'll show you how to do that. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside your E16 and access your battery. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.